is Don from the Life's Journeys, and just checked into the fabulous Wynn Las Vegas on the Tower Suites, and we got a Parlor Suite to tour today. So let's just bring it around. You can see we're in room 2312, view down the hall. So let's go in and take a look. We'll start with the powder room just to the right as we come in. We've got a large mirror here, and the door to a connecting room if you need a connection, and a wet bar area. Lots of usual snacks: cashews, fruit, nuts, cookies, popcorn, gummy bears, potato chips, Fiji water. What do we have down below? Minibar Refrigerator. This is one of the spots where everything is on a touch sensor, and so you move it, you've got, I think, just a few seconds before you bought it. This one's just under the sink, not a lot there. And then the third door is a refrigerator for personal use. It's nice glassware, ice bucket, and that sort of thing. So let's move into the main part of the room. So desk with working area. You got a sofa and two chairs, television over there. Let's step over and we'll take a look at the view. It's starting to get a little bit dusky, so hopefully we can get a nice view of the Las Vegas Valley. Golf course out back. Pool areas down below. The angle will be hard to get much of a view. You can see some of the new construction in the area as well. Piece of furnishing here. Let's take a look what's in the cupboard. Just on that side, just shelves for storage, and same over here. If I remember from years ago, there used to be a fax machine in those things, which nobody uses anymore. So just swing around and give another sort of full view of the living room area before we head into the bedroom. This is bedroom, nice king bed, mirror in back, got dresser and television again. It's just normal, well, that one pulls down. It's got the Wi-Fi repeater in there. It's another view of that room. And we look outside, substantially the same view that we had from the living room. So quite nice, very peaceful. Let's head into. I was going to say, oh, you know what we'll check out is they've got on the bedside just electronic management of everything. This just ends up being a bit of a control center for lights, temperature, clock, drapes, alarm. Everything is right there. I didn't point out, under the TV in the living room they have an Alexa that's there. So, and then here it's got clock, USB ports, power plugs. So handy for keeping your phones charged. And then into the bathroom, as you can see, quite large. Makeup desk, one sink area, good sized shower, big tub. You know, and the tub has a jacuzzi style tub with the jets, pretty deep. You can tell as I take it down there. Second sink area, and water closet over here. So, I've got everything covered. It's got one of the things I always really like here was hopefully not swing you around too fast. The towels are always really nice quality, which is great. And then we'll finish off with robes, silky on the outside, terry inside, always really nice. And so into the closet, we've got a full dresser, sort of high boy style, which is good. Two areas of to get things hung up, so his and her space, plus a wall safe, probably big enough to fit an okay sized laptop. And so down here we've got I come around, I'm just swinging around. So you got ironing board and iron. There's slippers down here as well. So pretty much everything that you could ever really think about wanting in a hotel room is here. So I'll end this with a view of the bedroom, just because it's such a great bedroom with amazing linens. And want to thank you for watching. If you haven't already done so, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Please give this a like if you did like it, and hit the bell for notifications so you can see future videos. And so I will sign off there. Thank you again for watching, and may all your life's journeys be everything you dreamed of.